Lens ball. What is this glass capable of? Let's check in the review. So let's do the unbox. There's a nice protection pack, and inside we have this huge glass ball. And it's quite heavy. I have measured it and it's around 900 grams, so it's approximately 2 pounds. So we have some papers here and a cleaning cloth. That's it. So let's try to test it. The image in the ball is flipped, but it can vary according to conditions. So if you are going to use a different angle of view, you can get image like that, and the same ball in the same place from the top perspective, for example like that. So in the end, I like the light effect casted on the ground more than flipped images. They are quite cool. If you go close enough, it can work as a magnifying glass. And some sample images here, usually taken with the iPhone or Sony RX100. There can be fun with water too, but it's better to use the sunlight for it. You will see that. It's quite interesting to see light rays like that. But this was painful. It can burn you very easily. So as you can see, the smoke appeared almost instantly, so beware of using it under the direct sunlight, because you can cause a fire very quickly and it can be quite dangerous. And a few last sample images which were taken during the review. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.